So this is the bag of Jihu. Let's try to see what's inside. First, the small packet. What is this? Good luck. And sa anong tawag? QR code. Mag-attendance sila ito gamit. Kaya, I don't know if I'm right. Attendance sila, ganun lang. Sure. May QR code eh. Jiho! Just wait. So let's continue. So in the second bucket, what is inside? It's Jiho's mask and Jiho uy. Saligan yung bag. And panyo handkerchief of Kim Jiho. Panyo ni man na oy, diara na butang oy, marot nagigamit. So, itago muna natin. We will keep that inside like that. And close this one. And then we will open what's inside in his bag. Charay! First, charang! Bote. Second, charang! Bote again. Next is charang! Anong partner sa bote? Gatas. The next is charang! Diapers. And next is extra clothes and medyas extra socks. Yes, that's all. Diba? Yan ang laman ng kanyang bag. Yan ang laman every day ng bag ni Kim Jiho when he will go to school. Ganyan na ganyan. So, ibalik na natin. Balik na natin. Itim na. Panay gablabas. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. That's all for today. Bye. Bye. Real bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Put it inside. That's great, Jiho. So, bye-bye. Bye to my vlog. Bye to Gio's vlog. And tomorrow, we're going to school again. Bye-bye. Ayusin na namin to ngayon para bukas. Diretso na kami aalis. Bye-bye, everyone. Say bye.